I've been watching you from a distance as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times. If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling good? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to, but every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me over again.
To Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a DIY glam project. I've been inspired by so much Gallerie inspiration, so I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you enjoy. Gallerie has the most amazing glitter art, and I wanted to try a different style of theirs. I picked up 2 canvases from my local dollar store in an 18 by 24 size, and taking some house paint that I had, this is actually the colour of my walls, guys. It's called Puppy by Dulux. So I took a foam brush, and what we're going to do here is start from the middle. So taking some paint and that foam brush, what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm going to create a design that looks very similar to something like from a heart machine, guys, where your heart rate's going up and heart rate's going down. So you can see here I started like a bit of a diamond shape, and then I'm starting again on the second one. What you want to do with the foam brush is just completely blend the ends. I continued on until I had 4 of these shapes on the canvas. So it's going to start looking a little bit like this, but what I'm doing here is just going over and blending the paint in. While I let that one dry, I started on the second one and repeated the same steps. What I discovered, guys, it's definitely all about blending. Just keep using that foam brush to bend the layers in. Once they were both dry, you're now going to take your second colour. I'm using this acrylic paint in the colour Pearl White. Now you're going to take that white paint and you're going to make a smaller version of this design on the inside of the brown. Now the white did take a couple of coats here, guys, so just be patient and blend in.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
Once I completed both canvases, I then went in with my third colour. This colour is called Pale Gold. And what you're going to do here, guys, is just make a smaller version inside the white.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Once you're happy with that result, it's now time for the absolute fun part. Taking your Mod Podge and a paintbrush, we're going to add some Mod Podge inside the first shape. I picked up these foil flakes from my local dollar store, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is just scatter a few on top. You're then also going to add some gold glitter.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm live.
You're then going to take some gold beaded sequins that I picked up from my dollar store, and I added a little bit of Mod Podge where I wanted the sequins to go, and then added them to the top.
But I get up, I always do. I never think.
I then repeated the same steps for all 4 shapes. Now using the foil, guys, can get a little tricky, but what I found that is if I went in with the end of a paintbrush or my finger, I could blend it where I needed it. I then went in with my trusty hairspray and sprayed it 2 coats. Now you will find that the gold will have a bit of a fallout, but it will set in place once the hairspray is dry. I then started on the second canvas and repeated the same steps. Once you're happy with the end result, another 2 coats of hairspray, and then I left it to dry.
Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space. Somewhere in between you and me. It's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you look.
Guys, I always love to share with you inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home's glam. These simple, inexpensive Gallerie inspired glitter art pieces cost me less than $25 to make. I'm always excited to share the end result with you guys because I love sharing and showing you that you can create these DIYs in just a few hours at home and have that designer look that you're aiming for. Glitter art is extremely hard to find here in Australia. If it's not for TK Maxx that bring them in every now and again, we wouldn't get the option of having them. So I wanted to show all my friends how you could do a simple DIY this weekend where you could have that same look and you won't break the bank. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelles, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I love sharing simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home's glam, and I have a vast array of videos for you where I share many DIY projects. Don't forget to follow me over at Instagram. I'm at CHELLESGLAMHOME too, where I post daily inspirational photos and videos of my DIY projects and of my glam home. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own DIY glam glitter art. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky,
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice. But now I am telling you, I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.